Silahkan kalau begitu.
Oh, ini.
Oke, Budi, Retno, Mar, kamu ikutin kita. Biar Mas Denny aja.
1212.
Saya juga di situ.
Baik, anak sekalian. Jadi pada siang diberitahukan? Sudah belum? Sudah kan? Ya. Jadi saya kira itu rute yang akan kita lewati dan saya berharap dari semua peserta untuk nanti bisa pertama dengan senyum mempresentasikan, lalu mencoba untuk memberikan suatu penjelasan, informasi yang kemudian juga saya berharap untuk nanti Anda juga bisa closing juga, ya. Itu juga saya akan mencoba untuk melihat nanti bagaimana acting Anda sebagai seorang orang wisata, ya. Itu nah, pada masalah apa yang dijelaskan saya serahkan pada Anda semuanya masing-masing, ya. Apakah Anda mau menjelaskan Tulungagung, monggo. Anda mau menjelaskan tentang apa, silahkan. Kita bebas saja, ya. Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua juga saya berharap Anda tidak perlu grogi, ya. Tidak perlu anggap aja semuanya adalah patung, anggap aja semuanya adalah teman-teman kalian sendiri. Saya hanya menonton saja, jadi jangan anggap sebagai ya apalah namanya. Pokoknya jangan menjadi Anda menjadi takut dan sebagainya, ya. Relax saja. Dan saya juga tidak akan menerkam Anda, ya. Itu.
How are you today? Hi. Okay, welcome on our city tour of Tulungagung. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Tommy Astuti. You can call me Didi. I come from ABC Tour and Travel, and I as your guide for this trip. Okay? Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I give you information, I will introduce our driver. In my left side, Mr. Eddie as our driver. Good afternoon, Mr. Eddie. And also our co-driver is Mr. Swarji. Good afternoon, Mr. Swarji. They will be our friend at this tour today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we start this tour, before I give you information about our program at this trip, I would like to give you information about the tour program, Handicraft in Tulungagung. And then our last destination is Wonorejo Dam. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's enough about the tour program. Cross Street or Jalan Pangeran Diponegoro, it is we can find many shop or shopping center that you can find on your life on many people or many community that live in Tulungagung. They enjoyed their leisure in there, so their mind will be fresh after if you visited this place, you will feel fresh and comfort. Well, and then you can see the scenery around your side. There are so many trees and also There are beautiful scenery that you can see on your left and on your right side. We can find in the beach, so it is not wrong if any people in Tulung Agung call Pop-Up Beach by that name. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many facilities that can you enjoy if you go to Pop-Up Beach. There are hall and then souvenir shop and then restaurant, and also you can find toilet there, so you will feel comfort if you go there. And this place you can see the name of this place is Pendopo Kusumaning. The name of this place is Pendopo. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I will continue the information about Pop-Up Beach. In Pop-Up Beach, you can By the way about Pop-Up Beach and Seed, I remember this Javanese song that has the title Perahu Layar. Anyone know?
Agricultural potential, for example, agriculture, forestry, fishery, and garden culture. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Magetan City have many tourism objects. Is very beautiful. For example, Sarangan Lake and Tirtosari Waterfall. The first will be long life in teenage. So if you go there, you don't forget to take a bath in this waterfall. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we can enjoy the panorama beautiful with it the rabbit satay. Rabbit satay, one portion is 3,000. Well, ladies and gentlemen, because yes, 3,000. One portion. Yes.
10,000, 6,000. I believe.
Okay, please you go there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, because Magetan City is the city, so Magetan have many souvenirs. For example, characteristic food, leather handicraft, bamboo handicraft, and gamelan handicraft. The characteristic food, for example, Pamelo orange. Pamelo orange is special variety product by Magetan farmer, centralized in Sukomoro district. And Magetan is from fruit. Many food could be bags, bucket, hang lamp, cover, and other forest ornament and souvenirs. The next is gamelan and Kauman Village, Karangrejo, about 20 kilometers Magetan City. Its product made in pasar, in this market. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and the next is Pasar Baru, Pasar Sayur. Pasar Sayur, majority people Magetan City always buy a vegetable in this pasar because this market made. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think enough for my information about Magetan City. And I'm so sorry if I had any mistake in explain the information. And thank you.
Before we are starting, on behalf of my company, Mega Tour and Travel, I would like to say welcome in East Java Province, especially in the Surabaya city, which is the capital city of Surabaya city. And before we are starting our today, let's pray to God together. Pray start, and then pray finish. Ladies and gentlemen, before I give you information about our tour itinerary today, I would like to introduce you to our crew from the Mega Tour and Travel. First, I would like to introduce you for our... Ladies and gentlemen, you can see our tour program in your hand. First, our tour starts from the hotel at 7 AM. And in first destination is Surabaya Zoo, which is located at Stell Street number 1. And then over there we can see the animal collection from the for local country and foreign country. And then our second destination is Heroes Monument, which is located between Tembaan and Pahlawan Street. Over there we can see the miniature of Surabaya, and also we can earning the dioramas of the struggle of 10 November 1945. And our last destination is Kenjeran Beach, Surabaya. Over there we can enjoy some traditional food from Surabaya. And then at 10:30 PM we back to hotel, and about 1 p.m. we arrived to the hotel and our tour finished.
Malang completes with the level of school, start from kindergartens until universities. And about industrial city, Malang has many kinds of companies and home industries. For example, the biggest cigarette companies in Malang is Betul Cigarette Companies in Singosari area. And ladies and gentlemen, about the tourism city, Malang has many kinds of tourism objects. Start from natural tourism objects, for example, is Balai Beach. Historical tourism objects, for example, is Brawijaya Museum, and the archaeological tourism object, for example, is Singosari Temple. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the new program in Malang is Malang becomes health school city, because health is very important for students and teachers to do the process of studying. So all schools in Malang must have health school room. And Malang not only has many kinds of tourism objects, but also many kinds of handicrafts. For example, is this maze. It is Malang maze. The name is Bapang maze. This maze has a long nose that describe this maze tell about someone that very egoism, because the color is red, and the long nose describe that this maze tell about someone would like to kissing everyone.
200 million people.
Fantastic.
One of the islands which has big population is Java Island. The Java Island is divided by 4 provinces and 2 separate regions. They are the capital of the city is Surabaya. The name of Heroes City is as if gone, because now has appeared many new shopping centers like BG Junction, Royal Plaza, Soko, UFO, and still many more. Besides this many shopping centers, Surabaya City still remain a space for heroism identity. Whilst in Surabaya now has tourism policy. This regency more or less 4 hours from Surabaya City by public vehicle.
Manfaat punya kaki panjang. Bisa mengerem.
Now I would like to give an information about Tulungagung's anniversary, which always celebrate on 1 April.
Apa yang bisa kami jual gitu.
Ini betulan.
Kita semua dong, clear. Ngapain tes? Expect ya, Bang?
Terus tadi kalau punyanya Desa Tirta, Desa Tirta punya kalau
Nanti kalau kita sudah selesai itu outbound di situ.
nah itu kan
Iya.
wah ini dari landscape-nya ini
Iya. Outbound.
Tunggu Pak Agus bilang aja Pak Adi, Pak Nyoman, saya dulu di Dinas Pariwisata Provinsi. Temen-temennya itu masih.
Terus yang itu
Superior. Iya, ada aja.
Iya, kalau dia lagi susah ya.
Terus di atas itu superior nggak ada lagi sudah? Ada. Lain hari ini kan waktunya speed ya.
Ini pun
Lebih lama.
kepala dinasnya sini.
Pak Imam.
Bilang aja, bilang Pak Nyoman sampai ke sini gitu. Walaupun pensiun sampai ke sini gitu.
Ya, barangkali dengan ketidaksengajaan ini ada
Ya, lanjut.
ya
Yang jelas bawa turis
ya
ini aja. Pak Adi ini kan memang dari
bagaimana kita bisa menyampaikan kepada tamu kita, bagaimana kita bisa menjual tanpa kita mengetahui sesuatu yang akan kita jual. Baik, jadi ini on the way back, saya nanti akan panggilkan, saya kira masih ada 3 peserta yang masih belum ambil.
Permit me to introduce our crew. Sitting in front of you is our carefully driver, Mr. Eddie, and the co-driver, Mr. Swarji. And I am, as your guide, my name is Vivinika Wulandari. Just call me Vivin. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Chandra Kirana Tour and Travel. I welcome you inside Malang Tour. First of all, I will give you our programs today. Now we are visiting one of the mass producers in Pakisaji. After that, we will continue to the Balikambang Beach, and on the way back, we will visiting Bamboo Handicraft in Kebonsari. Well, ladies and gentlemen, anyone's style that not know then not love. So I will introduce you with Malang in general. Malang located on 440 until 460 meter above sea level with humidity 7.2% and have temperature 22 until 24 degrees Celsius. Ladies and gentlemen, Malang have fresh and cool air because the city is surrounded by mountains. In the north is Arjuna Mountain, in the west is Kawi Mountain, in the east are Bromo, Tengger, and Semeru Mountain, and in the south is Kabupaten Mountain Range. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Malang Center City. Why Malang is called Education City? Because there are a lot of schools start from elementary until university. It indicates Malang is an outstanding center of education. Moreover, thousands of students from all over East Java and other provinces are flocked to the town to study in government or private school. In the meantime, a wide range of companies and Malang Regency, showing evidently that this city is really industrial center.
Then, ladies and gentlemen, why Malang is also called tourism center city? Because Malang had a lot of places that very interest with classified into local, regional, national, and international standard, including traditional dance performance such as tari topeng or mask dance, jarang pegon, tari beskalan or beskalan dance. Now we are talking about mask dance. There are some places that very famous with mask dance. There are Asmoro Bangun Art Center in Gedung Monggo Village Pakisaji that will be visit, and Mangun Dharma Art Center in Tulus Besar Tumpang with M. Soleh S. Bonner. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the background of Malang Mas based on Mbah Karimun. The first time Malang Mas was created in Kanjuran Kingdom era with King Gajayana. In this era, the Mass was created from stone and functioned as a religious ceremony. But it didn't mean that they prayed to the stone, but it was told to worship their god. In the Sunday, Prabu Lembu Amiluhur was very surprised. Why? Because he heard that Raden Panji Asmoro Bangun has been married with Dewi Rani, a girl from common people. He really angry and he really afraid that the case will be heard by Prabu Lembu Amijoyo, the king of Kediri Kingdom. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in fact, Prabu Lembu Amijoyo has been known that Raden Panji Asmoro Bangun has been married with Dewi Rani. He delegated a letter to Jenggolomani Kingdom to get to know the right information about marrying of Panji. Prabu Lembu Amiluhur replied the letter and asked apologize for everything that happened. He also said that their plan for marrying Panji and Dewi Skartaji was not cancelled, because he really loved Raden Panji and happy seeing Raden Panji and Dewi Skartaji living happily. But unfortunately, he can refuse Prabu Lembu Amiluhur comment. After that, he told Panji by using the sign language. He told that Raden Panji Asmoro Bangun's father was being ill and ordered Panji to find medicine in Dewi Kili Suci at Penanggungan Mountain. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the medicine rarely is Tulutuheng Kayu Kastubo Roning Sandiloto. In English is Kastubo Trisep Sandiloto leaf. After that, Panji left his wife and asked to Udapati Kertolo to keeping and taking care her during he went to Penanggungan Mountain. Well, ladies and gentlemen, but Dewi Rani is very smart woman. She understands the sign language that told by Udapati Kertolo. Kastubo Trisep means her blood, and Sandiloto leaf means her body. King won, Dewi Rani died. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in the same day, Udapati Kertolo invite Dewi Rani go to the forest. Arrive in forest, Udapati Kertolo pulled the crease fairly and carefully. But when Dewi Rani know it, he hit her body to Udapati's crease. The tragedy can be avoided. Dewi Rani was died. It make Udapati Kertolo is really afraid and left and leave Dewi Rani's body in the forest. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in the same day, Raden Panji Asmoro Bangun has been meet Dewi Kili Suci successfully. But in fact, Dewi Kili Suci has been know all that happened. She ordered Panji to getting back for Jenggolomani Kingdom directly.
Dan Ursadali Buri Minizo in same area. And next to the Kebun Rojo and the last to the Gebang Pilots. Are you ready? Before, let's pray together. finish. Okay. I forget. I also need Mr. Eddie is driver and Mr. Suwarji is co-driver. Now we are not. It is luck is your right. It is a Tirto Jati swimming pool or Sumber Udel. Usually people call it. You can go swimming and playing, and it is really good for family recreation. Okay. Still on your right, it is a Stadium Patria. A big event often held here. Okay, next we are going to second tourism object. This is a Bung Karno Script, Persada Library, and mini zoo. Mini zoo, yeah. Okay. About 10 minutes, we will arrive to Bung Karno Script. Before this is Bung Karno Script. You can buy, you can have a flower. You have a flower. You can buy a flower, and you can stay.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, before giving you some information about Jember, I will introduce. Before giving you some information about Jember, I will give you some brochure about Jember full day tour. This is a Jember full day tour. This tour starts at 8. This tour starts at 9. Depart Limbangan Highland from our hotel. It was a kilometer away from the north of Jember, a mountain view on the slope of Mount Argobong. On the last, at 9 until 10, you can see and you can enjoy in this Rumbangan Highland. You can see green plains and singing birds. Specific food of Rumbangan, there is gigorti and fried cheese, banana is available. Last 10 until 11:30, proceed our trip to Power. 10:30 until 11:15, reach Bowin Estate-owned company. Here you can see the process how making and parting cigars. And 11:15 until 11:55, leave Bowin Foresta Restaurant to have lunch. And 11:45 until 12:45 lunch and
ucapkan, kalau itu harus diucapkan dengan A, ucapkanlah dengan A. Ya, itu sangat penting karena bisa terjadi miskomunikasi karena Anda salah pronunciasi. Jangan lupa, karena pronunciasi adalah suatu hal yang sangat penting. Yang ketiga adalah dengan sendirinya pada masalah materi itu sendiri Anda harus paham dengan benar, pahami dengan baik, hayati dengan baik. Kalau Anda menghayati dengan baik, pasti akan keluar lancar dengan baik, tanpa hafalan. Ya, itu yang penting. Kemudian yang terakhir saya mencoba mencatatkan, jangan lupa pada masalah terminologi atau istilah barangkali juga sangat penting harus Anda ketahui. Nah, semuanya tadi juga saya kira pada masalah persiapan Anda untuk Anda melakukan suatu perjalanan wisata itu juga Anda perhatikan. Ya. Dengan sehingga berbagai macam ada sikap, improvisasi, ya, sangat penting. Jadi barangkali itu yang saya secara singkat saya sampaikan.
Ya, jadi beberapa